From the sky, from precision to progress. Precision in every turn.
With our new site in Zurzach, we're building up on our expertise to develop new capabilities for SR Technics. Here, we have much more space to handle more projects and much more complex work. By streamlining processes and removing complexity, we will increase efficiency to improve better turnaround times. The team is at the center of everything we do. We are hiring more than 100 employees to develop the team of the future. And we are building on 90 years of experience of SR Technics in Switzerland. With this, we have the foundations to grow sustainably for the years to come.
Here under one roof, we are fully operational to provide all kinds of repairs for our customer. All for the purpose to provide a fast and stable solution to get the engine back on wing as soon as possible.
At Zurzach, we connect expertise, technology, people, and space. One vision, two locations, the same excellence in safety, quality, and reliability. Zurzach, the new quick turn line, ready for takeoff.